Now that I've cut all of my cabbage, it's time to go on to the next step, which is massaging the cabbage to make sure the salt is in it all very well, mixed thoroughly. And I believe it is, because look how wet it is. That is a good sign that you have enough salt and that the salt is mixed all through the cabbage. I'm going to taste a piece to make sure that it has enough salt. I can taste the salt. It's not overpowering. I think it's perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tamp it down. And what that means, I am using a sauerkraut tamper. This is a special tool. I bought it on Amazon. You can buy them in specialty stores also. But we use this basically to crush the cabbage to make more of that liquid release. Now, before I had this specialty tool, I used a variety of other tools. One of the things I tried, and this worked out well, is I took some of these wooden spoons, utensils. I put a couple of elastic bands on there, and I used the end here to tamp it down. You could do that. You can also use a French rolling pin, which is just an oblong shaped one. It doesn't have the rollers at the end, but that works very well. Okay, so when we tamp, all we're doing is we're just kind of pushing the cabbage down. It's going to break up the cabbage a little bit. It's not going to, you don't want to do it so hard that it breaks, actually tears the cabbage. We're just trying to break down some of the outer cells of the cabbage and allow more of the liquid to come out. So I am going to do this a little bit more. There we go. And I'm pushing around the edges. There we go. And then I'm going to massage it again. Oh, lots of liquid coming out now. Lots of liquid. This is good. This is going to make such a good batch. And you'll notice when I first chopped the cabbage, this bowl was full. As the liquid gets released, then the cabbage shrinks. And this is what we want. I'm going to do the other bowl, the other bowls of cabbage.